Thermaltake's TH360 V2 liquid cooler delivers strong thermal performance with its slim aluminum radiator and thick copper cold plate, making it well-suited for modern, high-core count processors. The integrated 2.1-inch square liquid crystal display on the pump head adds real utility by showing system stats or custom images at a sharp 480 by 480 resolution. 3 addressable lighting fans provide good airflow while staying relatively quiet, and their lighting can be synchronized with major motherboard software for a cohesive build aesthetic. Extensive support for both current Intel and AMD sockets means this cooler can move with you across several platform upgrades without needing a replacement. The long rubber tubing and compact pump housing make it easier to route in medium or larger cases, helping to keep the interior tidy and improving overall airflow. Thermaltake's software ecosystem ties the lighting and display customization together, giving enthusiasts a lot of room to personalize both the look and the information shown.